Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create search engine friendly URLs for all your pages in your website. So what this has to do with is the web address up here in the top of the screen. So you'll notice that in this demo URL that we're looking at here, we've got all kinds of crazy symbols and periods and ampersands and equal signs and stuff that makes no sense, has nothing to do with this bio page. And the search engines are looking at that, and that's in your sitemap. So we need to make those URLs more pleasing for the search engines. And in doing that, we're also going to help our search engine positioning because we can put words in that relate very specifically to that page of our website, to the city that we're located in, and other kinds of information that will help the search engines better index your website. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So if we go ahead and click on the Get to Know Us link, which is the page we're actually on here, you'll notice that the URL changes. And this is the URL that the search engines see and the public sees. Now, this is great. It doesn't have a lot of those weird symbols in it, but one of the bonuses of our system is that we'll let you take it a step further than that. So you may want to call this button, this is Dr. Bob Smith, eye doctor in Portland, Oregon, and you want the search engine to see all of that. Well, that doesn't look very good as a menu name right here. So what this is interpreting right now is the name of your menus. So if we click on Come See Us Anytime, the URL says Come See Us Anytime because we're directly interpreting all of these menu names and then making those be the URLs. So let's go back to this one and let's go edit this one. So let's make it a little more specific. So we do that under the Pages and Content, under the Create and Edit My Pages. So what you'll do is go down to that page, which is right here. Let's go ahead and hit Edit. So let's go ahead and let's use the example that I just read off, and we'll give it that page name. Now, you have two sections in here. You have a page title, and then you also have an SEO page title. So if this is left blank, the system will use this as the default page name. So you don't have to fill this in. This is optional, but it does give you the ability to make a more specific name for the page. So let's call this Dr. And you can write it just like this. Our system is smart enough to be able to interpret any of the spacing and punctuation and capitalization and all of that. So you can label this however you want. So let's call this Dr. Smith or Dr. Bob Smith, eye doctor, Portland, Oregon. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then we'll go ahead and click on that link again. So now let's click on Get to Know Us. Now you'll notice that the URL for this page is now Dr. Bob Smith, eye doctor, Portland, Oregon. And that's pretty slick. The search engines will see that now. They see that you're a doctor, that you're an eye doctor, that you're in Portland, in Oregon, and it's all of that information is being provided right there in the URL. So go ahead and edit those things. When you save those changes, we automatically are notifying, we're rebuilding your sitemap for you so that you don't even have to think about that. So you'll notice if I go ahead and access the sitemap for this site right now, and I go view that, that is now the URL that Google and Bing and Yahoo are being given as the URL for that page. Okay, so that's how that works. And when you sign out, we also will go ahead and submit that sitemap change to Google. So you'll notice right here that we've gone ahead and submitted those changes for you because we're aware that you made an adjustment to your sitemap and to the way the pages are being named. And we've told Google, Bing, and Yahoo, hey, our website has changed, our sitemap has now been revised, please go ahead and re-index our site and make those changes in the search engine. All right, so go through your site, go through all your pages, make those adjustments. It'll be well worth it. It only takes a few minutes, and it'll help your search engine page ranking efforts immensely.